Mastering English, understanding the phrase, zoom in on. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning of a very common English phrase that you've probably heard quite often, zoom in on. If you're curious about how this phrase works and how to use it correctly in your everyday English, stay tuned because this video is for you. When we first hear, zoom in on, it's important to understand its literal meaning. This phrase originates from photography and videography. To zoom in means to make the image of something appear larger and closer on a screen or in a viewfinder. So, when you zoom in on something, you're focusing on a smaller area to see more detail. For example, when you're taking a photo with your camera, and you want a closer look at a beautiful flower, you would zoom in on the flower to fill the frame and capture its details. Now let's talk about the figurative use of this phrase. In everyday English, when someone says they want to zoom in on a particular topic or issue, they mean they want to give it more attention, examine it closely, or focus on a specific part of a larger situation. Imagine you're in a meeting, and the discussion is all over the place. If your boss says, "Let's zoom in on the marketing strategy," they are asking everyone to focus specifically on the discussion of the marketing strategy. It's practice time. Let's see how to use zoom in on in sentences correctly. 1. In the classroom, a teacher might say, "Let's zoom in on the first paragraph of the story," to encourage students to concentrate on that particular section. 2. During a workshop, the instructor could say, "I want to zoom in on the importance of time management," highlighting that particular skill. 3. In personal growth, a coach might advise, "You need to zoom in on your strengths and work on developing them." Each of these examples shows how versatile the phrase is and how it can be adapted to different contexts. And there you have it, friends. We've zoomed in on the phrase, zoom in on, exploring both its literal and figurative meanings. Now that you're familiar with this expression, try using it in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. I hope this video has been informative and fun. Until next time, keep practicing, and never stop learning. Goodbye and happy learning!